These floor plans of the ship are located on every floor, so you can always find where you want to go and which floor it's on and how best to get there. There are 4 lifts and staircases, so you need to select the right one to get to the destination, because you can't always walk from one end of the ship to the other. This is the Royal Fireworks Lounge. This is the alternative venue for evening entertainment. So once you've seen the main show in the Jubilee Lounge, you can come in here and they have quizzes and game shows and things. There's a band on in here most nights. So this is the Royal Fireworks Lounge. This is the Rendezvous bar, which is located just outside the Royal Fireworks Lounge. And at night they have a pianist on in here, and it's quite relaxing. We're just next door to the shops, so you can do some duty-free shopping at night when the shops are open. And there's plenty of seating if you just want a quiet evening. This is the Boardroom, where you can come and play a selection of board games, or just play cards on the card tables, dominoes. Nice and quiet in here.
And this is the internet cafe and library. Internet prices will advise that the actual internet though is via satellite, so it is quite slow. So if you're paying so much per minute, you may find that it'll cost more because of the slow internet connection speeds. And for any kids that come aboard, there's a few arcade games. And this is open all the time.
So this is the casino aboard the Thomson Majesty. There's some seating area here. And then just to our left are the slot machines and the card tables. This is the poker table, Texas Hold'em, blackjack, roulette, and I'm not sure what that one is. I think it might be another poker table. They do hold tournaments throughout the week, and they also have a fun casino where you can buy a few chips just to learn how to play the games before you lose all your money, for real. So just a few more slot machines on this side, and another seating area. So that's the casino. This is the Polo Club, and at night there's some entertainment on. That's the main lounge, Jubilee lounge. This is the Polo bar. This is the Jubilee Lounge, the main entertainment lounge for your evening shows. It's quite nicely set out. It's raked seating, so you've got a pretty good view wherever you sit. The only thing that does obscure your view slightly are the posts, so just bear that in mind. There's plenty of tables, so you can have a drink in here once you've had your evening meal, or even before your evening meal. There are 2 shows a night, so you can choose whether you want to eat first and then watch the show, or the other way around. So it's quite flexible. Good viewing area from around the lounge. Two nights a week there is a UK guest act, usually a comedian. And then the rest of the time it's mainly dancing, singing, kind of West End style shows. Frame 52 is the nightclub on board. This is on the 7th deck at the back of the ship. So if you want to dance the night away, this is the place to come. Here's the gym. This is the spa area. Where you can have massages, treatments, facials, and there's a sauna on board. So if you fancy pampering yourself, got some excellent spa facilities on board. You can also do hairstyling. This is the Royal Observatory Lounge. Again, this is another quiet lounge where you can just sit and enjoy a quiet evening. There's a pianist on here as well during the evenings. It's a nice view through the front windows. I think they serve afternoon tea in here as well.